With our new update to our Rehab Repair Estimator tool, you can now estimate rehab costs by rooms in your property, such as kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, and bedrooms. Our estimator comes pre-built with multiple starter templates to help you get started estimating repair costs for your rehab projects. Now, some house flippers prefer to estimate their costs by trade category, but some prefer to estimate rehab costs by room. If you prefer estimating rehab costs by room, you can use our new Rehab by Room starter template, which organizes your repair categories by rooms on your property. To estimate rehab costs by room, simply load the Rehab by Room template to the estimator. Once the estimator loads, you'll be presented with a breakdown of common repair categories on your property. Now, the exterior repairs are still broken down by trade categories such as roofing, siding, windows, and doors, but once you click on the interiors of the property, you will see the categories are broken down by rooms on your property. If you click on the kitchen category, you'll find a list of common repairs and improvements for the kitchen, such as cabinetry, countertops, flooring, appliances, and fixtures. Bathrooms will include bathroom repairs and improvements such as vanities, tiling, and plumbing fixtures. And then in your living rooms and bedrooms, it'll include finishes such as woodwork, painting, flooring, and light fixtures. Our Estimate by Room template is completely customizable, so you can customize the database as needed for your rehab projects, and then simply click Save as Template in the upper right-hand corner and save the template for future projects. If you have any questions about our new Estimate by Room template, please shoot us a message in chat or send us an email.